Hey guys, welcome to my DailyDAV. Hope everyone's recovering from the royal wedding yesterday. A lot of good things going on for the week ahead, and today I'll be preparing to do some follow-up with John on some of the outreach that we've been doing lately, and also organising for the video that Noam's doing in Sydney coming up with one of our new partners. It's quite exciting, and you'll hear more about that shortly. Bye-bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday the main focus was to prep all of our web copy and make sure that it's ready for translation, so pretty much getting all of that organized and in an efficient manner, so when we hand it over to our translators we can get that done quickly and efficiently. And then also we're going to look at other languages as well. Also did some work as it pertains to the new narrative that's been changed on the website, making sure that is communicated across all of our social channels also. Today the main focus is going to be building out the entire strategy and communication system and messaging up into and through our token sale on June 11th. So a lot of good work and exciting things happening as we march closer. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hey everyone, so I'm finally back from Consensus 2018 from New York City. It was a great trip. I'm really glad I did it. Made a lot of great contacts out there. Spoke to quite a few people about their interest in dev, and that was all very successful. Today I mostly spent it catching up in emails, dealing with a lot of questions that come in from crypto review sites, so I was busy doing that. Also worked on some collateral for DAV itself, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys! Yesterday I made a few new sections, our homepage, and new banners. And I must admit that the new section turned out well. Today I'll start new sites for our new presentation Singapore. After then I'll finish our new banners. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow!